Hi, welcome to Lola's World. Today we're going to go over how to make a Musical.ly account. Step 1 is to go to your app store and do a search for Musical.ly, and then download the app. Step 2 is to open the app and create your account. You have the option to use your phone number, Facebook account, Instagram, or email address. For this video, I will be using my Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and enter a username and password. Then log in. Once you've logged in, click Authorize. After this, the next step is to enter your birthday. Please note that you have to be at least 13 years old in order to use Musical.ly. According to the website terms and conditions, the service is not for persons under the age of 13. For any users previously suspended or removed from the service by Musical.ly. If you are under 13 years of age, you must not use or access the service at any time or any manner. This video was made in 2018, meaning if your birthday year is 2005 or higher, let's do the math. 2018 minus 2005 equals 13. Musical.ly will let you know that you're not eligible and will not create an account because you're 13 or younger. To confirm, in the year 2018, if your birthday is 2006, 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, or 18, Musical.ly will say that you're not eligible. Birth years of 2004 and below, meaning 2003, 2002 on down, Musical.ly will create the account for you. Step 3. Enter your birthday. So, I'm going to put a date here. And then, it'll create the account for you. Step 4 is to enjoy your Musical.ly account. Musical.ly starts off finding people for you to follow. This can come from your contacts or the Musical.ly people suggestions. When you're done, follow the on-screen instructions and swipe up to see your feed. Click the person icon to go to your homepage. Here is where you can edit your profile and start your first Musical.ly. Well, I hope this video has helped you make a Musical.ly account in 2018. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.